Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add GIF files over to your Shopify store on any page without any coding involved from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in this video, I'll be showing you two methods using the native site builder provided by Shopify, as well as eComposer, which is my preference. So the deal with this is we would first want to extract a GIF code that we want to add to our Shopify store. So in this case, I'll be going to Imgur to extract the code, because the idea is we need to get an embed code to paste onto our Shopify store. But first, we want to make sure that we're logged in and we have the correct store selected. So the store that we want to configure or add a GIF to. So I'm managing two stores on one account. So I'll be using Core Dynamics Tech as an example. So here we are. Here's what the dashboard looks like. And we'll be going to Imgur. So I'll be right back. So here we are. So we'll be doing a very basic one. So let's actually pick this one right here, or actually let's do this one. So we're going to click on it like so. And the idea is we would want to get the embed code for this GIF to add to our store. And to do so, click on the ellipses or the three dots right above the GIF that we want to add. Click on embed, and then we're going to copy the link. Actually, let's wait for this to load real quick, just for good measure. Let's do that again. Embed. Actually, hopefully this still works. So I'm just going to copy the link without letting this load. Close out of Imgur. And from here, let's actually first use the site builder by Shopify, because I believe we can actually input a code block to it. So you guys would want to click on online store, click on themes from the drop down, and select the store that you want to edit. So I'm going to edit the homepage for my Dawn theme. So we're going to click on customize. And from here, the idea is we would want to add a container. So there's already one here. Actually, let's do one again. Let's add a new section. Let's do code, or I believe it's not actually shown here, or HTML. Not even code block. Okay, so custom liquid. I believe this wouldn't work though, as this only reads the liquid code, hence why we're going to be using eComposer later, but let's try it anyway. We're going to hit enter, and you can see that it has the hyperlink for it, but it shows that this link can't be opened inside editor, so it's not compatible. So we're going to close out of this one, and we're going to be using eComposer. So eComposer, make sure that you guys have it installed. Just go to the Shopify App Store. So I'm going to click on Apps, eComposer, and let's actually build one from our store. Click on Start Building, like so. And from here, we're going to select the blank template, or you could use the pre-made ones if you wanted to, but I'm just going to go for the blank one and just give this title. Let's do homepage. Click on Start Building, and basically let eComposer generate a page for us for our store. So from here, you want to make your selection. So I've actually added a segment here, or a widget. Actually, let's call it a section. And the idea is you would want to click on the search bar and type code. So here it is. We're going to drag this widget here, and we're going to post the HTML file here, or the HTML code here. So here we are. We're going to paste it, save. Actually, wait for it to load. So normally it would actually show up here as a GIF, but let's actually go back to Imgur real quick. So here we are. We're going to be importing a file real quick from our library. Make sure you choose the correct options for importing, like so. And this should actually open up your file explorer, where you have the option to import an embed code for a GIF file, or a GIF file directly from your PC and add it over to eComposer or your Shopify store. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.